Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to open a PDF in InDesign. So let's get started the video. To import the PDF, go to the File menu at the top. Select Place. Navigate to the location where your PDF file is stored. Select the PDF file, then check the box next to Show Import options. Click Open. After selecting your PDF, the Place PDF dialog box will appear. Here you can choose which page of the PDF to import. You can select a specific pages, all pages, or a range of pages. Click OK. Now click on the page in your InDesign document where you want the PDF to appear. You can add new pages by clicking here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.